Each individual die-cut piece is placed into the gluing machine, stacks up. The bottle is composed of two separate pieces, the front side and the back side. The very first start of the process is when the pouch is installed into the machine. The pouch gets installed into the actual mandrel in a W-shaped format. Little baffles inside the machine that will then close it and hold it completely enclosed inside the mandrel. This is where we put the glued backs and fronts into the machine. So in station B, the initial glue bead is presented to the infrared lamp. That body bead is then pressed onto the board to form the initial circular shape. Moves on to station C. At station C at this point is where it glues the two center tabs to the actual neck of the pouch. So at this point it will actually exit the bottle formed like this. Station D is the most complex of all the stages after here. We call it our Edward Scissorhands. It systematically closes all of the fingers and presses the rest of the neck together to form the bottle. Station D has the largest heat source for hot air blowing on to the glue itself. The next couple stages, station E and F. The first station is a heated mandrel and actually just applies more heat to the neck and to the body of the shoulder of the bottle to allow it to continue to ensure we have the integrity of the glue and boxboard system. Station F is a secondary press. It's a cold press, one more station of holding. This is where the bottle actually exits the FBAM machine. It removes the first initial stainless steel pin, places it on the conveyor to return at the start of the machine, then picks up the bottle. At that point, it inflates the bottle and allows it to have the bottle shape of the pouch inside. That's a critical step as it moves on to the next form for the insert. So this entire machine is actually installing the base insert. The machine is actually applying an entire bead around the entire profile of the bottle. That glue then solidifies and creates a backstop for that puck to be placed inside the bottle. It continues to move around into this station where it applies an individual bead to each tab. The machine is actually, as the bottle spins, there's a sensor looking for each individual tab, and as that tab is recognized, it fires a droplet of glue. As it continues to move forward, the next part is where it actually starts to form the bottle in the fingers. As it moves to the next station, it applies hot air again to reactivate those glue beads. As soon as that hot air pulls away, an anvil from the bottom forces up and closes all of the tabs and holds them for the glue process. The last and final step is it actually pressurizes the inside of the bag one last time and actually holds a pressure and can detect a leak up to a 0.3 millimeter hole inside the bladder. Once it's passed the pressure test, it goes on to be labeled. The neck label is applied, which finishes the bottle. And after that, it closes and ejected from the machine as a good bottle.